Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok photo swipe if it's not working. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first fix here, just open up the TikTok app, wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go ahead over to your profile at the bottom right, just tap on it. Now, go ahead over to the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines like so. Tap on it and tap on settings and privacy. Okay. And once that's done, go ahead over to the very bottom, scroll all the way down and tap on free up space. Okay. This one. Tap on it. Now tap on clear cache. Clear. Downloads. Clear. And once that's done, close the app and then go ahead over to the TikTok app once more. Tap and hold. Go to the information icon right here. Tap on it. If you're using iOS, go to the settings app and locate the TikTok app. Now go ahead and tap on offload storage or offload data. Okay. And here on Android, tap on storage right here. Tap on it. Now first up, clear cache right here at the bottom right and clear data. All right. Hit on OK. Once done, open up the Play Store or App Store like so. Go to the search function right here at the bottom. Tap on the search bar. Now look for TikTok. Hit on find. Now if there are available updates, go ahead and install it. Okay. Make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. And once done, open it up. And after that, your problem should be fixed. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.